press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, today just I am continuing my exercise 11.4. In yesterday's class only I had to tell the conversion. Actually in first problem only we converted the meters into hectares. That's why as in 5th in your earlier classes you are all familiar with the conversion that 1 hectare equals to dash meters like that. Here just I am giving the formulas based on the conversion of units of length studied in earlier class of your areas. Just I am giving 3 formulas. Conversion: 1 centimeter square equals to 100 millimeter square. As you all know, 1 centimeter equals to 100 millimeter. Sorry, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Here square is there, that's why 10 into 10. 100 mm, and then 1 meter equals to, actually 1 meter equals to what? 100 centimeter. Here just what they are asking, 1 meter square equals to 10,000 centimeter square. We all know 1 hectare equals to 100 meter, correct? 1 hectare equals to 100 meter. Here just hectare square, in the units of area just we are taking the square units, that's why 1 hectare square equals to 10,000 meter square. This formula only we use it when you are converting meters into hectares in exercise 11.4 first problem. Just I am continuing my exercise. Just note down before the exercise 11.4 only, just note down these 3 formulas. Okay. A 3 meters wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park of length 125 meters and breadth 65 meters. Find the area of path. That means you have to find the area of the path that is constructed. Just in our earlier class what we have discussed, how in the garden we are building one path outside a rectangular garden, like that only. Just you have to do this one. Here what is the given, just you have to draw one rough sketch according to the given. Okay, A 3 meters wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park. What they are telling? One rectangular path is there. One rectangular park is there. For that park 3 meters wide. For that park 3 meters wide. 3 meters wide path. 3 meters wide path they are constructing. The park is of length. The length of the park they are giving. The length of the park is 125 meters and breadth of the park is 65 meters. We have to find. What we have to find? We have to find the area of the path that is constructed around a rectangular path of length 125 meters and breadth 65 meters. Okay children, in yesterday's class only I told that how we have to take the length and breadth of the outer rectangle, correct? By seeing this diagram, you can easily tell that here also 3 centimeters is adding. Just the outer, the rectangular part including the path will have a length of 125 plus. Just don't stop with 3. Just don't stop with 3. Just you have to add 3 more because left side it is adding 3 and right side of the rectangular part also it is adding 3 meters. Correct? Then we will get 131 meters as the length of the rectangular part including path. Okay. Here for the breadth also we have to do the same thing, that is 65 meters plus 3 plus 3. What it is? 65 plus 3, 68. 68 plus 3, 71 meters. Correct, children? Okay. What is the formula to find area of these path constructed? For that you have to keep in mind, we can find the area of the outer rectangle and we can find the area of the inner rectangle. What we have to do? We have to find the area of the path constructed. We have to find the area of the path constructed. That's why what we have to write? Area of path. Area of the path only they are asking. Area of the path constructed is equals to area of the rectangular garden with including garden minus area of a rectangular park. Area of a rectangular park. Just blindly how we did for the first question. All the first we write the all the given things and then we find the areas of each rectangles, like that only. Just you have to write first the given and then areas, and then just you have to take the difference between area of the outer rectangle, area of the inner rectangle. What I am telling, just I am writing differently, but I am telling inner rectangle and outer rectangle. Why we have to draw the sketch means, by seeing that sketch you can understand which part we have to find, which part dimensions they have gave. Sometimes they will give outer rectangle dimensions also they will give. Okay, with path also they will give, and then path inside the park they had built one park antanu helbodu. Avagi just we have to take the subtraction. That's why when we draw the rough sketch means, then you can get an idea how to solve the given problem and which part we have to find and which part you have to find. Okay, children, write down. Given, from the given question itself only we can understand that length of the park, length of the park, L equals to, length of the park equals to 125 meters. Length of the park L equals to 125 meters. Breadth of the park, B equals to 65 meters. 65 meters. And then area of the park, rectangular park also you can write here. A1 equals to length into breadth. What is length into breadth? Length into breadth means 125 into 65. 125 into 65. 125 meters into 65 meters. Already I did this, children. Just I am putting the answer. You have to verify it once. 8,125 meters square. 8,125 meters square. What is the area of this region? A equals to 8,125 meters square. Correct? Just now what we have to find? We have to find the area of total rectangular part with these paths. Correct? Come on, write down. Given, since length of rectangular path including path. L equals to, capital L take just, L equals to 125 meters plus 2 times you have to add the 3 because left and right corners we are taking the path, correct? 131 meters. 131 meters will be the length of the rectangular path including path. And then breadth. Breadth birth to all, just write down like that only. And B equals to 65 meters plus, that is 3 meters plus 3 meters. 65 meters plus 3 times the path is adding, correct? Up and down. Here up and down we are adding the path. That's why 3 plus 3. Therefore 65 plus 3 plus 3 is 71 meter. And then therefore area of the rectangular, we have to write all, area of the rectangular part including path A2 equals to length into breadth, correct? 131 meters square minus 91 meters, minus into 71 meters square equals to 9601 meters square. 9601 is equals to 9601 meter square. This one will be A2. What is the value? A2. Correct, children? And what we have to find now? Now we have to find the area of the path. Therefore, area of the path, this definition only I have to write here. Area of garden including path minus area of garden, rectangular garden, that is equals to A2 minus, A2 minus A. When what is the value of A2? 9601, 9601, 9601 minus 8125 meters square. Correct? If you take the difference between these two, 11 minus 5, 6, 9 minus 2, 7, 6 minus 1, 5 minus, 9 minus 2, 7, correct? And then 6 minus 1, and then 6 minus 1. Here, children, here 7 will come. Okay. And then here we will get the answer like this, meter square. Correct. Area of the remaining path is 1176 meter square. Now go to the next problem, children. Here just why I am keeping the calculation directly means we can't finish the problem earlier. That's why just I am putting the calculations. Therefore, area of path constructed around a garden is equals to 1176 meters square. 1176 meter square. Just move on to next question, children. See the third question. A picture is painted. A picture is painted. A picture is painted on a cardboard. On a cardboard of 8 centimeters long and 5 centimeters wide, such that there is a margin of 1.5 centimeters along each of its sides. Find the total area of margin. Find the total area of margin. Find the total area of the margin. Here what they have given, children? Here one photo frame is there. A picture is painted. Sorry, not the photo frame. A picture is painted on a cardboard. One photo frame, like in that cardboard, one picture is painted. Sorry, just I will write the smaller ones. Just we are taking one cardboard, rectangular cardboard of length 8 centimeters and breadth 5 centimeters we have taken first. Okay. In that just we want to draw a picture. There is a margin of 1.5 centimeters long. There is a margin. Just they want to put a margin for this. In this reason they want to draw a picture. Okay. In these reason they wanted to find the total area of margin. Here what they have taken, just here they are taken these part as a margin. This part of a margin, and margin width also they are giving, that is 3 centimeters. In this reason only we are going to draw a picture. In this reason only just we are going to draw a picture. What they are asking, just observe it carefully whether they are giving the dimensions of inner rectangle or outer rectangle. See this carefully. Whether they are giving the dimensions of inner rectangle or outer rectangle. Correct? One cardboard, rectangular cardboard we have taken and margin is constructed. Always margin andre we can construct outside that cardboard. In the corner of the rectangular cardboard only we have to construct. That's why I am constructing like that only with 3 centimeters wide. Correct? Here we can find the margins rectangle is, we have to consider this one as inner rectangle. Correct? What will be the length of that one? 8 centimeters minus 3 centimeters minus 3 centimeters. 8 minus 3 is 2 centimeter. Here also 5 minus 3 is what it is? Here also 5 minus 3. Five centimeter here, 2 centimeter. Correct? A picture is painted on a cardboard 8 centimeters long and 5 centimeters wide, such that there is a margin of along each of the side. That means they are constructing each of the side. Correct? Along each of the side, the total area of the margin. We have to find the total area of the margin. Okay children, just First, whatever they have given, that one we have to write. Whatever they have given, that one we have to write. Here only 1 minus of 3 we are taking. Correct, children? Because not this is 3 centimeters, this is 1.5 centimeters. 1.5 plus 1.5 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 centimeters. That's why I directly taken here 3. Otherwise you can take 8 centimeters minus 1.5 centimeters minus 1.5, that is 5 centimeters. Directly I have taken there minus 3 centimeters. Correct. A picture is painted on cardboard of 8 centimeters long and 5 centimeters wide such that there is a margin. Margin andre just for all the corners of the photo. Inside, in the rectangular cardboard, inside they have constructed one frame. For that they have constructed one frame. This is 1.5 centimeters. Aa kadenu 1.5 centimeters irutte. That's why I have directly taken there 8 centimeters minus 3 centimeter. Now we have to write length of the rectangular cardboard. Otherwise we can write length of the cardboard. Solution given. Length of the cardboard. Length of the cardboard. L equals to 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. And then breadth of the cardboard, and then breadth of the cardboard B equals to 5 centimeters. B equals to 5 centimeter. And then area of, if you know both, then we can find the area of rectangular cardboard. Area of the cardboard. Area of the cardboard A equals to 8 length into breadth, that is equals to 8 centimeters into 5 centimeters. What it is? 40 centimeter square. What it is? 40 centimeter square. And then since a margin is constructed, since a margin is taken along each sides of rectangular cardboard of 1.5 centimeters. Since a margin of width 1.5 centimeter is taken along each sides of a cardboard. Correct, children? Now we have to find the length of the margin, length of the inner cardboard. Margin that has been taken. Length of the, therefore, length of the inner cardboard. Length of the inner cardboard L equals to 8 centimeters minus 1.5 centimeters minus 1.5 centimeters, that is equals to 8 minus 3, 5 centimeters. And then breadth of the inner cardboard B equals to 5 centimeters minus 3 centimeters. What it is? 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. Therefore, what we have to find now? Area of the inner cardboard. What is the area of the inner cardboard? We have to define it with the symbol of A2 equals to L into B. What is the value of L here? 5 centimeters into value of B is 2 centimeters. What is 5 into 2? 5 into 2 is 10 centimeter square. Correct, children? Now what we have to find? We have to find total area of the margin. Therefore, total area of the margin equals to, therefore, total area of the margin is equals to area of the outer cardboard minus area of the inner cardboard. Okay, children, area of the outer cardboard minus area of the inner cardboard. Therefore, total area of the margin equals to area of cardboard minus area of the inner cardboard. Area of the inner cardboard. Correct, children? Now what we have to do? Area of the cardboard is 40 centimeters square minus inner cardboard area is 10 centimeters square. 40 minus 10, 30 centimeters. Therefore, hence or we can write hence or therefore area of the margin is area of the margin is 30 centimeters square. 30 centimeters square. Okay, what we have did in the question is just one picture is we have taken a cardboard, rectangular cardboard to paint a picture and we constructed one margin of width 1.5 centimeter on each sides of a rectangular cardboard. Then we will get a inner rectangle also we will get and outer rectangle also we will get. Just we are finding the difference between inner and outer rectangle to get the answer. Okay, children, just move on to the next question. Just read the question properly. Then only you can understand what you have to find, whether the inner rectangle we have to find or remaining area we have to find, other what we have to convert, whether the given units in centimeters or meters. Just read them carefully, then you will get the answer. Fourth one, a veranda of width, a veranda of width 2.25 meters is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meters long and 4 meters width. Find the area of veranda. Find the area of veranda. Okay, see these children, what they are telling, just a veranda of width 2.25 meters is constructed all around outside of a room. One rectangular room is there with 5.5 centimeters as length and breadth 4 centimeters as breadth. Breadth is nothing but width. Okay, 2.25 centimeters width of veranda. Veranda is constructed around that rectangular room with width. What is the width of this? Is 2.25 centimeters. Centimeters or meters? Sorry, meters. Here also meters it seems. Meters. Okay. What we have to find? The area of the veranda. We have to find the area of the veranda. B question is also there. In that just they have given the cost of cementing the floor of a veranda at the rate of ₹2 just per 1 square meter. What is the cost? 200 rupees they have given. By using that we have to find what is the cost to cementing the veranda. Okay, write down children. Okay, write down children. First length of, first I am writing in first and second question how we did like that only, just we have to do to find the area of a veranda. Given length of a rectangular room or room you can write. That is equals to 5.5 meters and then breadth. Area of a room. Area of a room. A1 equals to 5.4 into 4. Correct? 2 to the 20. 20 plus 2. 22 square meters or meter square you can write. And then what they have telling? A veranda is a veranda of weight 2.25 meters is constructed outside a room. Now new length of a room. New length of a room. L equals to 5.5 plus 2.5. 25 plus 2.25. What it is? What it is? .5 plus this is 4.5. Then we will get 10 meters. Correct? New breadth of a room. B equals to 4 plus 2.25 plus 2.25, that is equals to 9 meters. That is equals to, first I am writing here, 9 meters. Correct, children? And then what you have to do? Area 90 m square. 90 m square. Okay then children, what we have to do? Okay, sorry children, here what? 4 plus 4.5. 8.5. Here also the B value is 8.5. That is 85 square meter. Correct children? 4 plus 2.5 plus 4 plus 2.5 is equals to 8.5. Now, the area of the veranda is equals to area of new room minus area of a room. Area of a room, that is equals to A2 minus A1, that is equals to 85 square meter minus 22 square meter. What is 5 minus 2? 3. 5 minus 2? 6 square square meter. Okay, for the first question, that is the answer. What is the answer of the first question? The area of the veranda is 63 square meter. 63 square meters. What we have to do now? For the second question, B question is the cost of cementing the floor. The cost of cementing the floor of veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. What we have to write now? Just the cost of cementing the floor of veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per square meter. Just whatever they have given, that you have to write, and then you have to do what we have to know what we have to do. Given the cost of cementing the floor, the cost of cementing the floor of veranda at per 1 square meter equals to the cost of cementing the floor of veranda per 1 square meter equals to 200 rupees. 200 rupees. Now what we have to find? The cost of cementing the veranda of area 63 square meters is. The cost of, just we have to take the multiplication in between these two. The cost of cementing the veranda of area 63 meter square equals to cost of 1 meter square into 63, that is equals to rupees 6 3 is 6 6 2 is 12, correct? 12,600 rupees. 12,600 rupees is costing to find the area for 1 square meter. To cement the veranda of area 63 is 12,600 rupees. Okay, just move on to the next problem now, children. I think you are understanding these problems. This is very lengthy problems, but if you know the logic what what they have hidden in the question means just you can solve that easily. You can solve that easily. This is very easy problem. If you understand the logic carefully means just it is very easy problem. Okay children, next question. Fifth one. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden of side 30 meters. Find area. Two questions. In this also two questions are there. Area of the path. First what they have given, just read them carefully. 1 meter path of width is built along the border and inside one square garden is there. Just they are building 1 meter wide of path inside the garden. These dimensions they have given that 30 centimeter. Here if you take this one is 1 centimeter. We have to find the first outer square values they have given, that is the length of the each side is 30 meters. Here also 30 meters. If you wanted to find the inner square dimensions means 30 minus 1 minus 1 that is equals to 28 meter. Just you have to find the outer square and inner square area individually, and then we have to find the area of the path. Given length of each side of a square park. S equals to 30 meters. Correct? What we have to find first? First we are finding area of the square path. A1 equals to, what is the formula to find the area of the square? Side into side. What is the side? 30 meters into 30 meters. 30 is 900 meter square. Since a path 1 meter wide is built inside the square path. Now length of inner square path, that means excluding path. L equals to 30 meters minus 1. Now 2 times we have to get subtracted, that is 20 meter. 28 meter. And then we have to find area of the square park. What is the area of the square park? A2 equals to side into side, that is 28 meter into 28 meter. What is 28? 28, that is square of a number, 784 meter square. And then what we have to find now? Area of the path. Therefore, area of the path equals to, you have to write area of the square path minus area of the inner square path. Area of the square path minus area of the inner square path, that is A1 minus A2. 900 minus 780. For what the answer will be? 100 and what the answer will be? 166 meters square. Okay, next what they have given? Next in the B question they are asking, they wanted to plant grass in the remaining portion, that means area of the path of the garden at the rate of rupees 40 per meter. Just illi 1 meter square ge 40 rupees cost alli they wanted to plant the garden, they wanted to plant the grass. We have to find how much cost it will take to plant the whole garden. Just you have to write, first write the question. The cost of planting grass in remaining portion of the garden at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Firstly, you have to write the cost of planting the grass per meter square equal to, since the cost of planting the grass per square meter is equals to rupees 40, per square meter equals to rupees 40. You have to find now the cost of planting grass for whole path is equals to area of the path into 40. 6 4s are 24, 4 1s are 4 plus 6, 6 4. What is the cost? 4,600. Okay, just to see the children, see here children, the cost of planting grass in remaining portion of the garden at the rate of the cost of planting grass in the remaining sorry, see here children, sorry, here what they are asking, they are not asking in this part, they are asking in remaining part. In remaining part, what is the cost to plant the, in the remaining part they are asking us to plant cost remaining part of the garden. Illella path construct ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ, ಇದೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ, just this is one whole square garden, one path is constructed. In this remaining part they want to plant the grass there, that cost we have to find. Now the cost of planting grass in remaining part means inner square, in remaining part of garden, remaining part of a garden is equals to what is remaining part of a garden? 784 meters square into 40. 0 ಅಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 4 4 ಜಾ 16, 8 4 ಜಾ 32, 33, 7 4 ಜಾ what is 7 4 jaa 28 plus 3 31. What is 78 plus 3? 31,360. Just observe the question carefully, otherwise I also make mistakes. See, remaining part they are asking what I did, just for path cost, planting the cost, just I have find it, correct? Okay children, I think in the today's class you understood. In next class we will continue our exercise.